So if your iPhone is randomly restarting, so here is the fix. The very first fix is maybe this is because of a bug or any error. So you can forcefully restart your iPhone once and then see if this problem disappears or not. So for forcefully restarting your iPhone, what you have to do, you have to just press the volume up button once and then down volume button once, and then press and hold the right side key and keep it pressed until the Apple iPhone logo appears. So let's do it. Thus, just press the up button once, down button once, and then keep it pressed, the right side key, keep it pressed. Wait for some time and the Apple iPhone logo will appear, and if it shows on the screen, that means your phone has forcefully restarted. Now you can leave this button, and now your phone have forcefully restarted. You have successfully forcefully restarted your iPhone. Now check that whether your problem has fixed or not. If this does not get fixed, let's move to the next method, and that is checking the iPhone storage. So just go to settings, okay, and in the settings you have what you have to do. You have to just go to general and now tap on iPhone storage, and now if the iPhone storage is full, okay, if the space used is almost full, then you can try optimizing the space, deleting unused apps. Okay, so you can try enabling the offload unused apps. Okay, try optimizing the photos. You can try deleting unused apps which you don't use. Okay, so if you don't use certain kind of apps, just delete those apps from your computer. Okay, so let's say you don't use Truecaller, just delete that particular app, okay, from your system. Also, what you can do, you can go to photos, okay, and then delete videos which are not, you don't want to keep it for long. So this is the method. Now if this also does not work, then the second thing is let's move to the next method. Just go to settings and then go to general and tap on software update and check your system for update, and if there is any software update available, just download it and install it and restart your phone. This also fixes the issue. If this also does not work, what you can do, just go to settings homepage again and now find battery, locate battery, tap on it. Now tap on battery health and charging. Okay, make sure your maximum capacity is in a good amount, like for example my is 82%. If your maximum capacity is 50 or 55%, that means you can consider replacing your battery, and this may also be an issue. There will be a message which will be shown here if your battery has some error and has some issue. If this has some issue, you can try replacing the battery of your iPhone. Okay, so this is how you can random restart problem can be solved on iPhone. That's it guys. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for supporting us.